how to give reviews on Carousell. Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to give reviews on Carousell. Download and open the Carousell application on your mobile phone. You can view different products here just by scrolling down. In the free items option, you will see the free products. By scrolling down, you'll be able to see the reviews of the products. For more information, tap on Reviews. Here, you will see all the reviews from buyers and sellers. By tapping on the review, you'll be able to report the review. Go to your profile by tapping on Me at the bottom. Here, you will also see the reviews option. You can type your reviews here and share your thoughts. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.